A simple way to boost your Amazon SEO. Do you have trouble gaining traction on Amazon? Look, you're not alone. Amazon's marketplace now has an incredible 2.5 million sellers on the platform. And that means there's a ton of competition on there. And you need to be mindful of how you can boost your presence on their website. Understanding Amazon and their A10 search engine is essential. A10 search engine cognition is focused on its revenue per click abilities, which means every time a customer searches for something, they have to be matched with the perfect option within Amazon catalog. Much like regular SEO on search engines like Google, A10's two main ranking factors are A, sales velocity, how fast a product sells on Amazon, and 2, keyword mastery, how well your listing uses relevant keywords. Here are a few ways to improve your Amazon SEO ranking. Number 1, conduct keyword research. Again, it's just like regular SEO, but there's only a little difference. I want you to type in words and phrases in Amazon search box and see what's suggested and compile a list of relevant keywords for similar listings. Look, you can also use Ubersuggest. Go to Ubersuggest, type in keywords because it's also pulling from sources like Amazon and it'll suggest other related keywords for you. And this is what's popular and trending today, not what was popular a year ago. I also want you to go to Answer the Public, which is pulling from a lot of these sources as well, and see what's popular today. If you also use the Ubersuggest Chrome extension, whenever you do a search on Amazon, when it shows you those listed keywords, it'll show you the search volume for those keywords as well to give you more ideas of what is popular. And that'll help you get good keywords that you should optimize for within your product listing pages. 2, optimize your product title. Titles should match the physical packaging label. Aim for 60 to 80 characters. Don't use all caps. Use numerals, and don't use subjective terms like bestseller. When you do this, what you'll find is you'll start getting more clicks. The reason I also say it has to match the packaging is you don't have to have the exact same title on the box, but it has to match because you don't want to deceive people either, or else you're going to get a lot of bad reviews and returns, which is going to cause your rankings to tank. 3, optimize the descriptions. Include brand names, sizes, material types, colors, packaging, quantity, and other essential information. The more specific you get, believe it or not, the better off you're going to be with targeting new keywords and converting a search into a click over to your listing, which generates a sale. 4, optimize key product features. Include up to 5 bullet points per product, 1,000 characters in total across all 5 points. You don't have to use all 1,000 characters, but use what's necessary. Don't just shove in 1,000 characters because you want more keywords. Do what's necessary so that way people can get the point as quick as possible. And of course, if you have more to say it within there and use up the characters when you can. 5, optimize for images. As they say, a picture says 1,000 words. Images should show the product in use, show various angles, and highlight different features. Every detail page requires at least 1 product image. 6 images and 1 video is ideal. Images should be clear, informative, and attractive, and images should have a white background and fill up at least 85% of the image space. Use 500 by 500 or 1,000 by 1,000 pixels to increase listing quality. And make sure if you have things like, let's say, a food product that you're selling, the nutrition label is one of those images. 6, optimize product search terms. Include generic words, and no punctuation is required. Stay under the length limit, which is 250 bytes. For a full list of best practices, reference Amazon's own search terms best practices guide from the URL on the screen. And that's it. If you follow all that, you're going to start doing better with your Amazon SEO. Of course, things like reviews and price, they all matter as well, but everyone's fine-tuning those things. The things I mentioned here is what a lot of companies are missing with their Amazon listings. If you just want my company to help you with your marketplace listings, whether it's on Amazon or Walmart or Target or any of those sites, we actually have a whole team that just focuses on that at my ad agency, NP Digital. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.